Are you living paycheck to paycheck, feeling trapped? That constant stress? That's survival mode. Every day feels like a fight just to stay afloat. Bills, debts, uncertainty. Staying here keeps you stuck, and it's silently draining your energy, focus, and future. Survival mode isn't just about money. It's habits, mindset, and tiny daily decisions. Skipping savings, ignoring small investments, reacting instead of planning. These tiny choices trap you, and the scary part is it becomes normal. Stress starts to feel like life itself. First, you have to notice it. Track every expense this week, every single one. Once you see where it goes, you uncover leaks you didn't even know existed. Knowledge is power. Awareness alone begins to shift you out of survival mode. Next, focus on a small safety net. $100, $500, even $50 matters. Emergency cash removes the panic. It stops reactive spending and gives you control. Start small, start today. Momentum grows faster than you think. Now, stop reacting. Start planning. Set one goal, increase income, save, or invest. Even 10 minutes a day, learning, budgeting, or hustling compounds over time. You're no longer just surviving. You're moving toward control, growth, and freedom. Escape survival mode. Start with awareness. Build a safety net. Take one small action today. If you're ready to take control of your money and your life, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a way to level up your finances.